Welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Thursday 3rd of May with me, Rich Power Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Look at gold, which continues to hold on to the floor around 1300. This long-term support, which is a pivot, I should say, long-term pivot support, is holding. And the recent low this week was 1301.50. You have seen a couple of closing levels inside the 1300 to 1310 sort of band of support, and that hasn't been seen at all this year. But the market is holding on. It's trending lower, but you've seen a rally today. Now, is this the start of a sort of a move that's going to be sort of able to recover the market? I'm not convinced yet. You look at this hourly chart where you got the continued run of lower highs, lower lows. 13.15, sort of an area where the resistance starts coming. Yesterday's high, 13.40. 13.25 is sort of now the key reaction high, I'd say, because that was where the market sort of faltered a couple of times on different occasions and then sort of fell away. So that's your level that you need to see the bulls back above to really confirm that this is a recovery in process. But you're back towards levels where the selling pressures tended to come in around sort of 60 to 70 on the RSI and the hourly. 54 at the moment, so maybe there is a bit of room back towards 13.15, but it'll be interesting to see if that is where it starts to fail. Now that downtrend comes in at 13.12 today, so it has pretty much unwound to that. But the momentum indicators are still pretty negatively configured. Although the RSI has ticked higher, it's still sort of corrective on the MACD and the stochastics. But I mean, to step all back and just look at the price, it is holding on to 1300, isn't it? So whilst that is the case, you can't get overly negative about this, even if the sort of testing of that support is sort of growing. Maybe this could be the time that the downtrend starts to sort of falter. It is a pretty sharp downtrend, and ultimately that could well be that the market just sort of starts to consolidate a bit. But we've seen today's rally, and sort of if it closes back above 13.10 again, maybe that could start to see a little bit of traction going on at the moment. So there's a bit of a crossroads at gold, on gold at the moment. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.